You're live.
I'm live. So what are we doing?
This is just the Keto Savage vlog right here. Everybody thinks you're Keto Savage right now.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, how's it going?
We're going to, we're gonna do a little project here. What's the project? Let me make sure we're in the frame here.
Yeah.
All right. What is this project we got going on?
So the project is, I've been thinking about it for a while, and I know you're pretty swole. Your people know what that means, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
My audience knows what swole means.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay. So I'm turning 50 years old tomorrow, and I haven't lifted since I was in my 20s. Like, I just work. You know, I got a job. I got 3 or 4 jobs. And so I just work, I eat right, and my body composition has just stayed pretty good since I've been keto and carnivore. But I thought, everybody keeps saying, oh, you can't gain muscle on keto. You can't, you don't have the energy, you can't build the muscle. And so I thought, and then also the other people are like, oh, I'm 45, I'm too old for that. Or I'm 50, I'm 55, I'm too old for that. And I thought, you know what? What if I had 50? Just use my 50th trip around the sun to just see what happens. If obviously I'm gonna eat keto, if not carnivore. What if I start working out? What if I start lifting? And just see in 12 months, what can I do? What do you think about that?
I think it's good. I think it's gonna be inspiring. I think I'm gonna see you on stage someday.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. But I think I'm gonna do okay. I don't think I'm gonna get hurt. I think I'm gonna have the stamina. I think I'm gonna have the energy. I think I'm gonna put on muscle. Maybe not a lot, but I'm gonna do something. But I think we should just document it.
I totally agree. I mean, because you said you're about to turn 50. Your test levels are still high, 600 or so. You said.
Yep.
You got good blood work, eating keto, You've been keto now for how long?
I've been keto for 4 years.
4 years.
Carnivore for 9 months.
9 months. So I want you to get like baseline everything, like DEXA scan, measurements. We need to get like some strength baselines to like what is your max number of reps on a 135 bench press. Let's see kind of a benchmark there, and then we can do that follow up every bi-monthly or something. Yeah,
and just follow it and just see what kind of gains I can get in 12 months as a 50-year-old on keto carnivore.
And I think we talked about this earlier at lunch, but he's gonna do this like bare basic, just not tracking macros, gonna make it sustainable as possible.
Right.
He's got the same equipment that I have right now, basically just the barbell, dumbbells, and a bench, and nothing fancy, no fancy gym equipment, just going back to the basics, bringing it back home.
Yeah, because back in my 20s, I lifted a lot. I didn't have a lot of success because my metabolism was so fast. I don't know, I just couldn't put on any muscle. But I feel like I can put on some muscle now. And so I think I've been saving myself for my 50s. I think my 50s are going to be my
being the new prime, right?
Best decade that I've had so far. Yeah.
Was there any particular like specific goal, like at 51, what do you hope to have achieved by this year?
I want to look like Keto Savage.
Hey, let's make it happen.
When I'm 51.
Let's make it happen.
What about that?
So what are we going to do? Like, I need to kind of like, I want to get as involved as much as possible.
Yeah.
Get you fixed up with the
you're going to
workout
coach
plans.
me. You're going to be like, this is what you do, step 1, step 2, step 3. Because I know what I used to do, back in the day, but you're the guy. I mean, you're the trainer, so you're going to train me.
Get you out to the Keto Savage compound, get you in my gym a little bit.
Yeah. I'll come down to Arkansas, and we'll, you can give me some tips and pointers, and we can work out, and you can laugh at me at my weakness, and then in a year from now, you can be amazed at my strength. We'll see.
Do you have any idea what your like caloric intake is right now, if you had to guess?
As much as I want to eat.
As much as you want to eat?
Yeah, I
just eat your weight stayed stable though?
Yeah. I've been stable for the last 8 months.
8 months.
9 months.
And
on carnivore, 235.
235.
I've been there for months and months. And when I was keto, I was probably 245, 250-ish. And then with carnivore, I'm down to 235, and that's just where I'm at. I can eat as much ribeye as I want, and I stay right there.
And the official starting day is tomorrow? Tomorrow.
December 9th.
All right.
Yeah, how about
Let's
that?
make it happen.
All right, I love it.
I'm down,
All
man.
right, let's do it.
So this footage is all over the place, but basically we're here celebrating Dr. Ken Berry's 50th birthday. Check out that shirt, by the way.
Yes.
You gotta love it, gotta love it. Kim Howerton over here is
I'm making
cooking up a storm.
a little keto tiramisu.
This is pretty intense. I mean, I don't even know. So what is this made out of?
Oh, that's my secret recipe, pumpkin bread. And the secret to that one is I make it with pork rinds instead of almond flour because 1, so many people can't eat nuts, and 2, bloat so many people, and it's extra low carb because pork panko or ground pork rinds, 0 carb. And the secret is they make an excellent bread.
So what is the So what is the carb count in that?
I think per slice, so if you, it was a whole cake. Look, see, I'm a mess. It's if you do 16 slices, the carb count is around 3 grams total carbs per slice.
What's the fat and protein? Do you remember that?
That I do not remember offhand, but it's fairly high protein and fairly high fat because pork rinds are fairly high in both.
I'm gonna try a piece.
And I'll give you a piece.
I'm gonna try a piece.
I can share the recipe with your people. You know, if you don't make a mess, you're not a real cook.
That's right. That's right. All right, Joe. We just got back from Morton's Steakhouse. Pretty crazy. You could tell everybody at the table was keto. The only thing left on the plates was the rolls that started out on the plates. So right now we're about to dig into this tiramisu. Let's see what that's looking like. Does it smell good?
It smells like cream.
Smells like cream? It looks pretty amazing though.
That's gorgeous.
You excited?
I can't wait.
Can't wait?
I'm pretending it's carnivore.
You like put a candle in it or something?
I know we don't have a candle.
No
So
candle?
we're gonna sing happy birthday. Inside, that looks like real tiramisu.
Where did you see that one?
It looks pretty in there.
It's okay.
It looks pretty amazing. That's more dessert food than I've had in my entire keto existence, I think.
Happy birthday!
Tiramisu for birthday.
Yeah, yes.
Do you want, here, Nisha, do you want the smaller piece and give Ken the bigger piece?
Yeah.
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 I think that's everybody.
I think that's everything.
I got one too many.
Okay, first clip of you eating this and call it good on the vlog. What's the verdict?
Oh. That's good tiramisu.
That's good tiramisu. I'm about to dive in.